Today in this video, I'm going to walk through how our scanner was able to hit 11 trades in a row right now. We are on one of the hottest streaks I think that I've seen the scanner go into. And so I want to talk about that. The last 4 days, we've hit 11 trades in a row. And I'm going to just show you just kind of a breakdown of how this works. This is my support and resistance scanner. So we got some really cool scanners coming out. This is one of my favorites. Essentially, all it does is, so let's just say this one right here on NVIDIA. NVIDIA broke out in this zone at 185, and we saw this here on a nice breakout trade with the scanner. And so if we go back and actually search the scanner, we can actually see the buy signal right here at 186.91. So at 186.91, there was a buy position right here. And sure enough, what a beautiful trade. What a nice breakout buy that was on NVIDIA. It found it with the scanner, and I'm going to show you just briefly here just how this works, and I'm going to show you some other ones. We're on 11 in a row, and I want you guys to get your hands on this scanner. And so if you're interested, I'll have a link in the comments and link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out, and you can get this thing for life, right? We don't do monthlies, we don't do quarterlies, we don't do yearlies. Literally can get this thing a one-time payment, and you'll be getting support and resistance breakout trades, which I believe one of my two favorite trades. All right, I'm going to draw them out, and don't judge me here. One of my two favorite trades is a support or a resistance or a support breakout. So a trade right here where it breaks out, or whenever a trade comes into a triangle and then it breaks out to the upside or downside. Those are two of my favorite trades. I got scanners for both of them now, but this particular one, it's absolutely killing it. It's absolutely killing it. Let's go ahead and look at some of the other trades. So SoFi was another one. SoFi was a really nice buy here. We had earnings today, and it did come back in a little bit, but then now it's back, and it has hit it has hit its take profit here at 31.17, and I believe that one was even let's look at SoFi here. Let's see. Let's go ahead and check out this SoFi trade. So this one was at 29.98. Yeah. So this one was like right here. So yeah, this is the breakout right here. And then so now we're in where we got take profit, quick trade, nice, and just real simple. Another one on Intel, INTC. I'm going to show you a lot of these because I want to show you how powerful some of these breakouts are. This is the breakout right here. This is the breakout that we saw, and we finally are, finally we came up to about 7-8%. And what a nice trade. What a beautiful trade. Let me get my scanner back in here, and let's see if we can find another one. So here is that was the SoFi. We have Bitcoin. We had a nice Bitcoin. Let's look at that one. So Bitcoin, a breakout right here. So this was on a Sunday. A really, what a beautiful breakout this was. There was some solid resistance, just bouncing off of resistance right here, just bouncing off it until it broke out right there. We got our signal, and sure enough, that was the trade. That was the take profit hit was at 115928. 11592. Yeah, so it was somewhere right up here. So it was in this area right here. We got to take profit, and then boom, it went right back down. So really nice trade on Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and keep looking at some of these. So like I said, there's 11 of these USDN. So all you Forex guys, if you're a Forex trader, this kind of stuff works the exact same way. You know, we have breakouts to the downside, we have breakouts to the upside. And I tell you what, I remember looking at this, and my goodness, is it really good on these breakouts. Here's a breakout, there's a breakout sell. And so that was one of the USDN trades that we got, that we found. Let's go through a couple other ones. So AAL, a really solid breakout right here on Thursday, October 23rd. This was the trade, and sure enough, it came up into this zone, and we got out at 1338. So at 1338, which was right here. So on this candle up, That's actually where our take profit target was. So from this candle to about half of that trade. So that was the trade right there. Very quick, very simple. And again, you guys don't need to be staring at your charts. There's really no reason for anybody to have to be staring at the charts all day long when you're trading, or when you're using a scanner like this. That's kind of what the scanner's for. It's meant to do that. It is meant to do that for you. And then those were all the 11. Here was our last one. We had a Coinbase loss. So that one was initially a breakout. I believe that was a breakout sell, but we are in the money. We are in the money on this recent one. This is the one that, and I tell you what, there's nothing the scanner did wrong right here, because look at this potential, just strong. I mean, that's a scary looking breakout right there. We had a confirmation candle. Everything was done correctly. That was a solid sell signal right here. It even came back into it, and a lot of folks like to come back and trade right here and then before next leg down. It didn't happen. Crypto found some strength, so it came back into this other zone. So now this is our recent signal, and our recent signal is a buy on Coinbase. So a buy on Coinbase right here, and it's up just a little bit. It went up initially, then it has pulled back. So that is a lot of trades. That is a lot of ideas. And like I said, we got a ton of them. Let's go back to we have a ton that's on right now. We got GDX, we got Amazon. I mean, look at Amazon. I believe Amazon is up today. Yeah, Amazon is up today. I mean, look at that beautiful breakout. And this was a strong, that was a very strong breakout right there on Amazon, and it's spotted right there with the scanner. And yeah, I love this thing. I'm always watching it. I've already shared some with the members, some of the trades that I've been able to nail with it. And so we're doing really well. Here is the account, and we are up quite nicely just today, and even in the last month or so. We had a couple really solid plays. But you see down here, it was at 2,000, and now we're up to we've doubled. We've more than doubled. We were at 2,000. Now we're up to 6,000. So that is, and guys, I'm not just, this isn't stuff where I just, I'm making things up or anything like that. All these trades are coming from the scanners, from the signals, from all the indicators that we are creating here at 5 Minute Trades. We're creating this stuff, and we are making sure that, obviously it's solid setups, and there is execution. There's ways to execute some of these trades with a lot of stuff that we have inside the members portal. So inside the support resistance, I did show you all these trades. I'm also going to break down what I like. So if I like an options trade with it, if I like just shares, things like that, I'll dial in the exact setup. I'll dial in the exact trade that you'll need to take with a lot of these. And yeah, so it's been absolutely crushing it. So I wanted to show you guys that we got a couple scanners. Like I said, we got the Tri-Signal. The scanner in here is the Support Resistance Pro scanner, and it's absolutely crushing it. And I would love for you guys to jump in here with me and trade this every single day, like I've been doing. Like I said, I've been able to grow my account this year from 2,000 all the way up to now it's up to 6,000. And so we'll see. My goal at the end of the year is to get to 10K. So we'll see if we can make that happen. We got a lot of strength in the markets, and so I'm going to try to capitalize on that with a lot of these support resistance trades and a lot of our other signals that we got going on. So pretty exciting stuff. I do appreciate you all watching our videos every time that we put something out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. If not, if you want the scanner, go ahead and grab it now for a great price. We actually have that lifetime discount. And yeah, if you anything else, let me know. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.